Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making Nigerian jollof rice. For this recipe you'll need rice. I'll be showing you my other ingredients as I go. So first we need to wash the rice with hot water. I'm not going to parboil the rice, I'm just going to soak it. Just going to stir that a bit. I'm using a spoon because it's boiling hot water. I'll let that sit for 5 to 7 minutes, then I'll give it a good rinse. Add some oil. Once that is heated, add some diced onions. Stir it around a bit. Now I'll season with dried thyme, curry powder, and bay leaves. And I'll give that a stir. Finally, with intensified flavours. Now I'll add my tomato puree. Stir that in. We need to fry this until the colour changes and loses its sour taste. I will now add my chicken stock pot. You can use any stock you want. I will now add my mix of tomatoes, bell peppers, chopped cornet and garlic. And give that a stir. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook while I wash my rice. I'm going to season my stew base. Some Maggi. Some chicken stock, some salt, stir that in. I'm gonna taste it. Tastes delicious. I'm going to cover it. I also have some meat stock that I can add. I'll cover it back. So I'm going to give it one last taste for seasoning. Mine is just right. I'm gonna add the rice now. I'm gonna stir that in. One last good stir. Now I'm going to cover until the water evaporates. I'm checking my jollof rice. Give it a stir. Alright, let's cook for a bit more. Okay, so I'll give this one last stir. Okay, it's time to serve. It's now time to serve. Wow, doesn't it look delicious? If you now come to the end of the video, you can like, share, comment, and please subscribe for something like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.